While we were building Syncar, we built Vigil. Vigil is a real-time Solana slot event stream over WebSockets. It features typed events, local leader schedule. While we were building Syncar, we built Vigil. Vigil is a real-time Solana slot event stream over WebSockets. It features typed events, local leader schedule, G2 detection, no gRPC or no Yellowstone connection to achieve that. Yes, just WebSockets. Now, what inspired this? While we were building during our time of build, at some point, the whole infrastructure went down. Yeah, we're not getting Solana data anymore. The stream data from Yellowstone was no longer getting into our system. So we wondered, what could we do if we don't have access to Yellowstone? Or what of people that don't have money to fund Yellowstone infrastructure? I mean, if you go to Triton, Helios, you have to upgrade your tier with a paid plan to access this Yellowstone or GISA data. So we thought of engineering event stream over WebSockets, and we did that. So it's very simple. What it does is that it subscribes to the slot update subscribe on Solana, any regular Solana RPC endpoint, and it emits type slot events. In addition to that, we resolve leader identity using this CHA20 schedule. So that schedule is a deterministic algorithm that you see in the Argave validator. It's how the validators know the leader schedule without using the RPC call like get leader schedule or get slot leaders. So we did that. And then these are the events you see in Vigil. They have the feature flags. Now, if you want it light, maybe you don't need the leader schedule or digital detection feature. All these things are gated, so you can just choose between the ones you want or choose not to use them at all. So your bond with this lighter, like for tree checkability, so you can input any of this. To use this, you just simply add it here, like normal way you would. So you can check this. That's the normal way you would in your cargo.tom. So to use Vigil, we have sample code for using Vigil. It's very simple and quite easy to integrate. It comes with metrics like current slots, confirmed slots, root slots, estimated slot duration. We use the 48 sample rolling median. You know, there's the latency between WebSockets. So if you're assuming you have just 400 milliseconds per WebSocket updates, you might make mistake because of dead slots or skip slots. You get that. So we use the 48 sample rolling media, and then we have the that's very fast to call. How it works, I already talked about that. So it just gets Voot's account and gets epoch info, uses the epoch as a seed, gets the stake in descending, and then assigns in 4 consecutive chunks. Like this is just the leader schedule from the binary from the validator. I got that from Argave. And then we can run a simple smoke test to actually see how it works. Then we can do this, copy this and move to our terminal, and we try this out. Let's see. Hold up. So we have to move into the Vigil folder and try this and see how it works. While we wait for that, okay, it needs RPC details for you to work for the smoke test. So let's not waste time on that. If you want to use this on your infrastructure, on your Syncar infrastructure, that's the main part we'll talk about. We'll go back to Syncar. And then I think when starting out your cargo, let's check the docs on how to use this. To use this, we see it. So we have 3 modes. We have the WebSockets. You can use a dual mode where you use both Yellowstone and WebSocket, but WebSockets has fallback mechanism, so both are running. We could try this, run with this. So we do this and we run it here. Okay, we switch the, it's an experimental feature, so it's not in this branch. We switch to, I think, feature. So we switch the branch and then, yeah, so we can run cargo run. So with this, we start the regular way, but to start with the WebSocket mode, we can just check. We have this. We can run this. So you can see it's WebSocket mode. See here, and then it starts running. Now to use dual mode, similar way you do this. So you just remove this and then dual. Dual runs both Yellowstone and WebSocket for fallback. So it's similar way. This is simply what Vigil does. So with Vigil, we have stream here, yeah, and WebSocket running together. So with Vigil, we have access to WebSockets, and we can use WebSockets for our infrastructure when there is no Yellowstone access. So that's all about Vigil. You can check it out at this link and also start the repo. Thank you.